Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel once again, and in this video we're going to talk about how can you fix the laggy Windows Explorer in your Windows 11. So for example, in this scenario, if I'm opening the Explorer, you can see the loading screen over the top. It's just swirling around and it's just taking lots of time to load each and every other panels. So it's kind of a thing which is obviously a dirt in your system. So how can we get rid of this? So first you need to uninstall any kind of cumulative preview updates that you have installed, because this kind of issues arises only when you install the cumulative preview updates. And also make sure that you don't install upcoming cumulative updates now on. So in my case, as per the date, you can see this one is the cumulative preview. To uninstall, you have to scroll down, go to uninstall updates, and then locate the latest cumulative update. Once you hit uninstall, it's going to take a bit of time, and after that it will be uninstalled. And after that we have to do few more things, and I'll tell you that very soon. Okay, so just hit restart and then we are good to go. Now the second step is that you need to turn off the cumulative coming updates. How? Just go to the updates, and if you see this is checked already, just make sure to uncheck, and then you won't be served with any kind of cumulative preview updates. Okay, and after that also make sure, if I now open the Explorer, you can see it's just opening fine. There is no loading screen over the top or anything. It's just working fine. If I reopen it, you can see it's coming very smooth. All right, so the final step that you have to do, you have to come down to this Explorer options, and then under here just make sure you uncheck this section, because we don't want any kind of loading while you're accessing your Explorer. Okay, so these are the steps that I took and it worked fine for me. So it arises mostly because of bad updates, and most common because of the cumulative preview updates. So that's it. This is the Windows version 24 or 25H2, and that's how you can solve this. Thanks for watching.